Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Segway Navimow i105N Robot Lawn Mower. Click the link below for the best price. If you're tired of spending hours mowing your lawn and want a high-tech, fully automated solution, the Segway Navimow i105N is a game changer. Unlike traditional robotic mowers that require tedious perimeter wire installation, this model features RTK+Vision positioning technology, allowing it to navigate and map your yard with AI-assisted precision. That means no buried wires, no complicated setups, and complete flexibility in defining your mowing zones. Equipped with AI-assisted mapping, this robotic mower intelligently scans and understands the layout of your lawn. Using the Segway Navimow app, you can create virtual boundaries, define multiple mowing zones, and set up custom mowing schedules, all from your smartphone. Whether you have garden beds, trees, or pathways, the mower can recognize obstacles and adjust its path automatically, ensuring efficient and accurate coverage. One of its standout features is its ultra-quiet operation, producing just 58 decibels of sound. This is quieter than a normal conversation, meaning you can let it mow even at night without disturbing your neighbors. The brushless motor and advanced blade system ensure a precise and even cut, maintaining a healthy, well-manicured lawn without any effort on your part. The multi-zone management system is perfect for homeowners with separate lawn areas. You can program the mower to handle different zones independently, ensuring consistent maintenance across your entire property. If you have a front and backyard, or multiple grassy areas, the Navimow i105N can easily switch between them, maintaining a beautiful, even cut everywhere. With app control and real-time tracking, you have full control over your mower from anywhere. You can start, stop, adjust settings, and monitor progress remotely, making it incredibly convenient. The intelligent rain sensor detects moisture and automatically pauses operation during wet conditions, preventing damage to your lawn and ensuring the best cutting performance. Designed for lawns up to 1/8 acre, the Navimow i105N is built to handle small to medium-sized properties efficiently. The long-lasting battery provides extended mowing sessions before automatically returning to its charging dock when needed. It features smart navigation and obstacle detection, meaning it won't get stuck on uneven terrain or small objects left in the yard. If you want a hassle-free, quiet, and efficient robotic mower that eliminates the need for perimeter wires and offers smart app control, AI-powered mapping, and multi-zone management, the Segway Navimow i105N is an excellent investment. Say goodbye to manual mowing and let technology take care of your lawn effortlessly. Click the link below for the best price.